Hey kids, it's me, Teacher A. In this video, we're going to solve some problems that involve rational inequalities. Alright, let's start. Okay, so this is our first word problem. The volume of a box. Okay, so we're given the value of the volume. Okay, so the volume is 27 cubic inches. Okay, and then we let x be the length of one edge of the box. Okay, and then h is the height of the box. Okay, what are the possible measurement of its edge if the height should be longer than the edge? Okay, so don't worry, meron naman tayong mga guide questions dito para mas madali nating masagutan ang problem na ito. Okay, so since medyo marami-raming given, it's nice if you can write all the given here. So sige nga, sulat natin. Let x, okay, be the length of the edge of the box. Okay, and then what else? H. Let h, okay, be the height of the box. Okay? Okay, and then finally, what else? Ito, yung 27, we let V, that's the volume, be equal to 27. Okay? So, yan yung mga given at yan yung mga variables na gagamitin natin. Okay, now we proceed to our guide questions. Yung unang guide question, ano daw ang formula to find the volume of any box? Okay, so ito yon. The volume, okay, in general ito, okay, is equal to length, okay, times width. Okay, nakita nyo, in words ko muna sinusulat. Okay, times height. Kasi mamaya, papalitan natin ito ng mga variables. Okay, ganun lang. The volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay, for guide question B, we're going to express h as a function of x. Okay? So, dito tayo mag-scratch. Anong gagawin ko? Gagamitin ko itong formula na to, itong volume equals length times width times height to get a function for our h. Okay? Sige nga. Okay, volume. What is the volume? It's given, right? It's 27. So, we write 27. Okay, equals. Next, what is the length? It's given, right? It is x. Okay, so we write x here. Okay, times what is the width? Do we know the width? Yes. Okay, what is the width? It is also x. Bakit x din yung width? Kasi if you read the problem, you have a box with a square base. Okay, di ba ang square, all sides are equal? Okay, so yung length niya, x, yung width niya, x din. Okay, and then finally, ano yung height? Okay, dinefine dito. H is the height of the box. So we write h here. Okay, and then we simplify. So you're going to have 27 equals, what is x times x? X squared times h. Okay, you are going to have x squared times h. Okay, so to finally get h, you divide both sides by x squared. Like that. Yeah? Okay, so yung h natin dito, ang sagot natin dito sa B ay 27 over x squared. Okay? Ito yung solution natin. Okay? Gamit yung formula na the volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay? Diyan natin pinattern. Alright. What about this? Paano nakuha yan? Okay? Ganito. Okay. Sabi kasi sa problem, the height should be longer than the edge. Okay? So how do you write this in mathematical form? So let us do that. Dito tayo magsa-stretch work ulit. Okay? So sabi dito, the height, okay, should be longer. So ibig sabihin greater than. Okay? Should be longer than the edge. Okay? So, isusulat natin yung mga variables. Okay? Ano yung variable na ginagamit natin for the height? Sabi dito, h. Okay? H should be greater than, what is the edge? Ano yung variable for the edge? X. Yeah? Okay. And then, from letter B, ano ba yung h? Ito yung letter B. Okay? Yung h natin, 27 over x squared. So, papalitan nyo yung h by 27 over x squared. So, let's do that. So, we are going to have 27 over x squared, okay, greater than x. Okay? And then, finally, itatranspose mo tong x dito sa kabilang side. Okay? Magkakaroon kayo ng 27 over x squared minus x greater than 0. Ito mismo yon. Yeah? So, doon nang galing itong inequality na ito. So, we're going to solve this rational inequality. So, how to solve a rational inequality? Okay, I have a video on that. Okay, and if you check that video, I'm using table of signs. Okay, so yun din ang gagamitin ko dito. Okay, kasi mas mabilis yun pang solve ng mga rational inequalities. Okay, so how do we really solve a rational inequality? First, you have to make one side of the inequality equal to 0. Okay, tapos na yun. Kasi, tingnan nyo naman ito. Okay, yung isang side ay 0. Okay, what is the next step? You have to make this side, okay, into one rational expression. So, dapat pagsamahin nyo siya into one rational expression. So, gagawin natin. Dito na lang. So, kopyahin ko lang yung 27 over x squared minus x greater than 0. Okay? Tapos, pagsasamahin ko yan into one fraction. Okay, so the LCD is clearly x squared. This one is 27, okay, minus what? Okay, it should be x cubed. Okay, bakit siya naging x cubed? Kasi ganito. Ito yung scratch. Diba? 27 over x squared. Okay, minus, diba x to? Okay, gusto natin gawing over x squared din siya. Okay? So, gusto natin magkaroon ng denominator na x squared. Yeah? So, mag-multiply ako sa ilalim kasi ito ay over 1. Okay? Mag-multiply ako sa ilalim ng x squared. Kailangan ko ring mag-multiply ng x squared sa taas. Okay? If we do that, okay? So, you are going to have, copy ko lang yung 27 over x squared. Ito, magkakaroon tayo ng x times x squared. You're going to have x cubed, okay, over x squared. Kasi 1 times x squared. You see? So, pareho ng x squared ang denominators nila. So, pwede nyo nang pagsamahin na ganito. And then, after that, after making the expression into a single rational expression, we are going to get the critical numbers, okay? Or critical values, okay? Sige nga. Paano natin hahanapin ang mga critical numbers? Sila yung nagpapa-0 sa numerator at saka sa denominator. Okay? So, kunyari, ang numerator ay 27 minus x cubed. Okay? Equate lang natin to 0. Okay? Titingnan natin, isolve natin si x. Okay? If you do that, you are going to have 27 equals, ito ang ililipat ko sa kabila. So, magkakaroon ako ng x cubed. Okay? So, ano ang value ni x? You get the cube root. Okay? You will get 3. Pwede naman ninyong i-check itong x equals 3. Okay? I-substitute nyo dito sa numerator. Okay? Yung x equals 3. So, you have 27 minus 3 cube. So you're going to have 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So you have 27 minus 27, 0. You see? So pinapa-0 niya yung numerator. Okay? What about the denominator? X squared. Madali lang yan, no? Di ba? Okay, this is the denominator, x squared. You equate this to 0. Sige nga, anong value ng x ang magpapa-0 dyan? Di 0. Okay? So, yan yung dalawang critical numbers or critical values. Okay, so now we find the possible values of x using table of signs. Okay? Again, we have two critical numbers here, 0 at saka 3. So this is how I use the table of signs. Magdodraw lang ako ng real number line. Di ba ganyan? You watch my video, okay? And then I locate properly yung 0 at saka 3. Di ba? Ang 0 nandito. Ang 3 nasa kanan ng 0. And then we try to make a table here. Like this. Okay? Okay. Ito ang numerator natin. 27 minus x cubed. Okay? Saan ulit ito nagsi-0? When x is equal to 3. Okay. Ang tanong, isi-shade ko ba to? Or pwede ba nating i-include yung x equals 3? The answer is no. Why? Because, tingnan nyo tong ating rational inequality na ito. Okay. Actually, pwede naman, di ba? Kasi pwede namang mag-0 ang numerator. Di ba? Pag sinubstitute ko ang x equals 3 dito, pwede mag-0 to. Pero, kahit pwedeng mag-0 ang numerator, kung titingnan nyo yung inequality sign nyo na ito, walang equal to 0. Okay? Greater than lang to, greater than 0. So, bawal mag-equal sa 0. So, bawal mag-0 ang numerator din. Okay? So, that's why hollow circle lang ito. Okay? And then, if you recall my discussion on rational inequalities, anong sabi ko? Kung ito ay 0, okay, where do you find the positive numbers? Sa kanan, right? Tapos sa kaliwa, nandun yung mga negative numbers, right? But, we have a special case here. Why? Because, tingnan nyo ang coefficient ng ating x cubed. Nakikita nyo? It's a negative. Sinabi ko rin dun sa video on rational inequalities na kapag negative ang coefficient ng inyong variable, mag-change yung sign. What do I mean by that? Makikita nyo na yung mga positive numbers sa kaliwa ng 0. Okay? Tapos yung mga negative numbers sa kanan. Okay? If you want to check kung tama itong mga signs dito, pwede kayong mag-substitute. Kunyari ito, dito. Ano yung number between 0 and 3? Kunyari, 1. Okay, mag-substitute kayo ng 1. 27 minus 1 cubed. You are going to get definitely a positive number. Yeah? Okay. Dito naman, mag-substitute kayo kunyari ng 4. Pag ginawa nyo yan, ang magiging sagot nyo, negative number. Okay? Pero yun nga, with this method, you don't have to substitute. Okay? Di ba medyo mahirap-hirap din yung magsasubstitute kayo ng values? Okay? Hindi natin kailangan dito. Ano lang yung kailangan yung tandaan? Okay? Titingnan nyo kung saan nagsi-0, tapos dapat alam ninyo na yung positive numbers nasa kanan, yung negative numbers nasa kaliwa ng 0. Okay? Nagkataon lang na itong example natin dito, merong negative coefficient yung x cubed. Ayan o, negative 1. Okay, negative x cubed. Kapag may negative coefficient yung ating variable, magbabaliktad. Positive na sa kaliwa ng 0. Nasaan yung 0? Ito yung 0 ha. Okay, hindi ito. Okay, ito yung 0. Okay, tapos negative naman sa kanan ng 0. Okay. What about the denominator? Mag-move on na tayo sa denominator. Ang denominator ay x squared. Yeah? Okay. Saan siya nagsi-0? Okay, dito. Okay, isi-shade ko ba tong circle na ito? No, kasi bawal siyang maging equal sa 0. Ito, because denominator siya. Okay, ito ngayon yon. Alam nyo ba na dapat plus lahat yan? Kahit sinasabi ko positive sa right side, negative sa left side nung 0, kunyari ito yung 0, positive lahat yan. Bakit? Because you have x squared. Lahat ng naka-square ay non-negative. So, ibig sabihin ng non-negative, it's either 0 or positive numbers. So, kaya, puro positive ito. Okay? Or, kung hindi kayo makapaniwala, you may want to substitute. You choose a number here, okay, na less than 0, kasi ito yung 0. Oh. Okay? Choose a number here, less than 0. Pag sinubstitute mo, tingnan nyo, positive ang magiging sagot. Even here, in this interval, from 0 to 3, pag sinubstitute nyo sa x squared, positive pa rin ang magiging sagot ninyo. Siyempre, dito rin, after ng 3, ito yung 3, oh. Kunyari 4 or 5 or 6, kahit ano, kapag in-square ninyo, positive yun. Alright? Okay, so ganyan ang table of signs. And then finally, to get the answer, ano bang gusto natin? Ito, 27 minus x cubed over x squared. So, all we have to do is to divide the signs. Okay, anong ibig sabihin ko nun? Kunyari ito, positive divided by positive. You get positive. Okay? Positive divided by positive, you will get positive. Okay? Negative divided by positive, ito, negative divided by positive, you will get negative. At anong gusto nyo for this rational expression? Itong 27 minus x cubed all over x squared. Gusto nyo greater than 0. So, ibig sabihin, positive. So, nakita nyo, itong portion na to, ito yon. Ito siya, dalawang positive. Ito. Okay? So, kung titingnan ninyo yung ating real number line, andito siya. Okay? Ito siya. Yeah? Lahat to. Okay? Sa part na yan, nagpa-positive yung ating rational expression na 27 minus x cubed all over x squared. Okay? But you know what? Ito lang talaga ang final answer. Ito. Itong portion na to. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ito. From 0 to 3 lamang. Why? Ano ba yung x? Okay? Sige nga, balikan ninyo. Ano yung x? X is the length of the edge of our box. Okay? At walang measurement na negative. Yeah? Kasi 'di ba? Ito 'di ba ito yung 0. Yung lahat ng numbers na nandito, negative numbers na yan. Yeah? So hindi pwede itong mga values na nasa kaliwa ng ating 0. So kaya ang sagot dito, the possible values of x should be in this interval. Okay? From 0, hindi kasama yung 0, kaya ito ay parenthesis. Okay? Up to 3. Okay? Ito lamang. Okay? Kapag kumuha kayo ng mga values between 0 to 3, isa-satisfy niya itong ating rational inequality dito. Yeah? Okay, at sigurado kayo na the height of the box is always longer than the edge of the box. Alright? Okay, so let's have this second problem. Okay, so who am I? I am thinking of a number, the sum of twice of that number, and 8 divided by 12 is greater than or equal to 4. Find the number or numbers. Okay? So, it's nice to define our variable. Okay? Ano ba yung hindi natin alam dito? Yung number. Okay? So, you let that be x. Okay? So, let x be the number. Okay? O, pagka-define ninyo ng variable, pwede nyo nang isulat yung rational inequality. Okay? Magsimula kayo dito. The sum of twice the number and 8. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, twice the number plus 8. Okay? So that means 2x plus 8, like that, okay? Divided by 12. So you write like this, over 12 is greater than or equal to 4. Okay? So, yan yung ating rational inequality na nagre-represent doon sa ating problem. And then, we're going to solve for x. Okay? So, again, how do we solve a rational inequality? We make one side equal to 0. Okay? So, yun muna. Ito, ililipat natin sa kabila. Okay? So, anong mangyayari? We are going to have 2x plus 8 over 12. Okay? So, magiging minus 4. Yeah? Okay. Greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Next, after making one side equal to 0, kailangan, ano yung next? Pagsasamahin ninyo to into one fraction. Yeah? Okay. So, ano yung tinuro ko sa inyo para mas madali kayo makapag-combine ng dalawang expression into a single fraction? Tingnan nyo, the LCD is 12. Ito, 1. Okay? So, para magkaroon ng 12 dyan, i-multiply ko yung denominator by 12. Okay? I-multiply ko rin ang numerator by 12. Okay? So, magkakaroon na kayo ng pareho ang denominator. So, madali nang pagsamahin. So, ito ay 12. Okay? Ito ay 2x plus 8. Yeah? Ito yung para sa unang fraction. Minus, ito ay, sige, if you want, 4 times 12, what do you get? 48. Greater than or equal to 0. Okay? If you continue, dito natin i-continue. Okay? So, let's simplify. You are going to have 2x, okay? What is 8 minus 48? Negative 40. Yeah? Okay. All over 12. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Yeah? Okay. What are the critical numbers? Okay? So, critical numbers. Okay? Wala naman tayo sa denominator kasi 12 lang, oh. Okay? Walang magpapa-0 sa 12 kasi it's 12. It's positive 12. Okay? So, numerator lang. So, you're going to have 2x minus 40 equal natin sa 0. Okay? If you solve for x, you're going to have 2x equals 40. Nilipat ko to sa kabila. Alright? And then, divide both sides by 2. Okay? You will get x equals 20. Ito lang ang nag-iisa nating critical number. Okay? X equals 20. Okay, dito tayo gagawa ng table of signs. Okay? So, gawa lang tayo ng real number line. Okay? Isa lang naman ang critical number natin, 20. Okay? So, extend lang natin dito. Tapos, dagdagan lang natin ng isa. Okay? Tapos, isusulat ko dito yung numerator, 2x minus 40. Okay? Saan siya nagsi-0? Dito. Okay? O, tanong, isi-shade ko ba to? Pwede bang x equals 20? Pwede ko bang i-substitute dito? Okay, kita nyo to? Pwede ko bang i-substitute dito ang x equals 20? Okay, if you do that, 2 times 20, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. 0 divided by 12, 0. O, pwede ba yan? Yes, kasi ito ay greater than or equal to 0. Okay, may equal sign. So, pwedeng mag-equal sa 0. So, kapag pwedeng i-substitute yung x equals 20, ito ay magiging shaded circle like that. Okay? After that, saan ulit nakikita mga positive numbers? Sa kanan ng 0. So, dito. Okay? Hindi naman siya special case kasi tingnan nyo yung x dito. Positive 2 ang coefficient niya. Okay, so default ito. Sa kanan yung positive numbers, tapos sa kaliwa yung mga negative numbers. Okay? Kung gusto nyong isama dito yung denominator, o sige, sama natin. Ano ba yung denominator? 12. Yung 12, kahit ano pang values ng x, constant kasi siya na 12. So, it's always positive. Okay? Positive lang siya. It's a positive 12. Okay? So, now, ano yung ating rational expression? 2x minus 40 all over 12. So, you divide. Okay? What is negative divided by positive? Negative. Okay? Positive divided by positive. You will get positive. At ang gusto natin, maging greater than or equal to 0. So, ito ang gusto natin. Okay? So, itong portion na to. Tuloy-tuloy na yan hanggang dito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, madami talagang numbers tayong makukuha. Okay? Ito, we let x be the number. So, ano yung number na yon? Ang sagot dito, okay, yung number na yon is any number, okay, basta ang x mo is greater than or equal to 20. Okay? Yan yung final answer natin. Kahit anong i-substitute mo or gamitin yung number, okay, basta greater than or equal to 20, okay, palaging yung sum ng twice of a number plus 8 divided by 12 is always greater than or equal to 4. Okay? You want to check? O, gawin natin. Okay? Ito yung original rational inequality natin. Okay? Ito yung nasa problem solving. Sabi doon, twice of the number, kita nyo? Twice of the number plus 8, okay? Divided by 12 is greater than or equal to 4. O, pili kayo. Kahit anong number na mas malaki or equal to 20. Huwag na nating piliin yung 20. Okay, let's say 22. Kunyari, at x equals 22. Okay, mag-substitute tayo. Okay, 2 times 22 plus 8 divided by 12. Ito kaya ay greater than or equal to 4. Lagyan natin ng question mark kasi hindi pa tayo sure. Okay? What is 2 times 22? 44. 44 plus 8. 52. So we have here 52 over 12. Is this greater than or equal to 4? You check. You can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4. If you do that, ang mangyayari ito ay over 3. Pag dinivide nyo to by 4, yung numerator, magkakaroon kayo ng 13. Okay? So you have 13 over 3. Sige nga, saan equal ang 13 over 3? Into mixed fraction. It's equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. So you're going to have 4 and 1/3. At ang 4 and 1/3 is really greater than or equal to 4. Ayan, tama na. You see? So, at x equals 22, okay, valid yung ating rational inequality. So again, kahit anong number ang piliin niyo basta mas malaki or equal to 20. Pwede. So that's why the answer to this problem is x greater than or equal to 20. Actually, pwede rin ang fraction. Okay? Basta greater than or equal to 20. Like 20 and 1/2. Okay? Pwede rin yun. Okay? So, I think that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright? See you on my next video.